This is another snapshot video for Wing It from the American Printing House for the Blind. In this video, we'll be discussing navigating the iOS layout of Wing It. In the iOS layout, we have a few buttons at the top, a canvas, and a toolbar at the bottom. At the top left, there is Clear, Undo, and Move. At the top right is our connection button that allows us to connect to the Monarch. At the bottom, our toolbar begins with the File menu. And inside File, we have Save As, Save, Open, and Share. And most of these should be familiar with most applications individuals use. Some of them I'll mention a little bit more about what it does. In the View menu, for instance, we have Pan and Home. And Pan allows us to draw more than what's on our canvas. We can move the screen around and keep drawing, and Home brings us back. Our Fill menu allows us to select objects and bring in other fill patterns like diagonal left, diagonal right, horizontal lines, vertical lines, solid, and no fill. In the Edit menu, there's object editing and erasing and undoing. In the Object Edit menu, there's the ability to edit fill objects or edit labels or the scale of an object. You can rotate objects, move objects, and even delete them. So it's really manipulating the objects. And then in the Erase menu, we have a big eraser and just a small normal erase. In the Tools menu, there's quite a few options with the ability to braille label, to free draw lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, pencils, and a thicker brush stroke. In the Shapes menu, we have a couple of different options with basic shapes and more advanced shapes. So in basic shapes, we have triangles, rectangles, and circles. And in advanced shapes, it's a bevy of different objects, which are kind of cool. Pill, star, hexagon, pentagon, diamond, and right triangle. And all of these can be manipulated very creatively to form different types of representations. In the Styles menu, we have the option of black, white, of dashed lines, of double dash lines, and effectively a solid no dash line. And then the last menu is an advanced menu that's going to be adjusted a bit, but currently it holds information regarding program logs, the ability to turn off and on the grid, and a log for development. This has been a Wing It snapshot video from your friends at the American Printing House for the Blind and Humanware.